Imagine a courtroom where the defendant isn't a human at all, but a pig on trial for a shocking crime. In 15th century Normandy, people believed that every creature had to obey the law, even pigs. One day, a pig was accused of causing the death of a child. Although it sounds unbelievable, the case was taken very seriously by local officials. To add to the absurdity, the pig was dressed in human clothes, complete with a waistcoat and drawers, to appear in a solemn court filled with stern judges and serious lawyers. During the trial, a deacon answered questions on the pig's behalf, as if the animal could understand the complex laws of the time. After lengthy arguments, the court found the pig guilty and decided that it must be punished to set an example. The judges sentenced the pig to be hanged, and in some accounts, the punishment included gruesome details such as having its limbs mangled or its snout removed before the execution. These harsh punishments were meant to show that no one, not even a pig, was above the law, and to warn others in the community to keep their animals under control. Although it sounds dark, the trial served a dual purpose. It restored order and also gave the people a bizarre sense of justice in a chaotic time. So next time you see a pig, remember that in medieval Normandy, even pigs had to answer for their actions in court. History can be as funny as it is strange. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quirky and amazing history stories.